In this video, the Armma Notorious goes to the moon. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish, you feed him for life. People keep asking me to send them free RC cards. It wasn't that long ago when I could only barely afford to keep that running. You know, that's a Nitro Savage up there. I could only just about afford to put fuel in it and to use it and to pay for repairs. Now, I can afford to buy a brand new one every single day if I want. And I can teach you guys how to do the exact same thing. It took me the last few years to figure out a few things that you have to get right in order to make decent money selling items on eBay. And I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can implement today, that you can use right away to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course where I'll show you guys exactly how to set up your own eBay store. So if you check the link down below, guys, head over to my website, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and you can get in on my free course and I'll share with you the free tips. Alright guys, enjoy this video. Guys, the sun's out again! So today we're going to take out the Armma Notorious. So this is pretty much stock. I've never taken it to the BMX track yet, so this is the first time. A couple of upgrades. I've got a Power HD servo there. Super duper crazy fast, loads of torque. I'm going to put a link to that down below. Also, I've got some GPM chassis braces. I'm going to put a link to them down below too. But other than that, I think it's pretty much stock, and this homemade chassis brace which come out of a Traxxas X-Max. So we're going to give it hell and see how well it holds up. By the way, I just got myself a new tattoo done, so I might show you that later on. Also, we'll be running it on these Gens Ace Lipos today, and also these wheels are off of my Creighton, because on my Creighton, this one's got the Notorious wheels. We took this to the skate park the other day, and yeah, broke it. So I'm going to put a link to this video where we busted it up here somewhere. Check it out, the sun is out again. Oh, AS Steve's turned up. You making a YouTube video?
Yes, I will do. Yep.
Link to Steven's channel down below. Look at the weather, man.
Welcome to England.
Oh, this facility is solely for the use of radio controlled vehicles.
Yes.
That means we're good to go. Oh, we might get... You hungry? Oh, look, it's going up, look. Oh, no.
That's not happening, is it?
Yeah, I'm going to report as well.
Oh, spit out.
Oh, my God, that's moving. Oh, that was close.
That'll burn up.
Let's enter. Nice. Hey Steve, ready for backflip? Oh. Uh-oh. Flip.
Oh.
It doesn't backflip as well on these. Oh, it bounces. Oh. I'm gonna nail it flat out. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! I reckon I broke it.
That's got awesome chassis on it as well, hasn't it?
No, this one hasn't.
No.
This one's normal chassis. Oh! I broke it, Steve.
I'm a tough baby!
Oh! I've got a spare though. No, not here. Do you remember those RPM arms you gave me? Yeah. Alright, I reckon I'm going to try and see if I can get it over the hut. Oh no, look. I can't believe I broke it on the second jump.
It was a big one.
I wonder if have you got any cable ties? I wonder if I could just cable tie it just enough just to do the hut jump.
Yeah.
Don't just bash, blast!
Alright, we'll blast. Stephen has spares in the the world's biggest mobile model shop.
I've only got little ones, I think.
Ah, that'll do. Better than
If we
nothing.
put them all on, they might about hold up one jump.
I only need to get one jump out of it. What you doing, Steve?
Playing.
As long as we get enough out of it so we can fly over that little hut over there. Hey, fixed it. It's alive again.
Budged it.
I'll tell you what I will do is do a quick montage and then we're going to air it out.
What happens if you're in doubt?
When in doubt, air it out. Hey, look at it, it's alive. Montage.
You went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and find. I want more, 'cause there's no reason. I'll shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it anyway.
Alright, hut jump is coming up. We put the GoPro on the top. Steve's going over there with the GoPro. Oh dear. I wonder if we can do it more than once. I can run up from here, flat out. You ready? Stephen's ready. Oh dear. Bye bye, Armma Notorious. You're going to the moon. Armma Notorious to the moon, baby. How was the landing?
Yeah, it landed.
Did bits come off?
GoPro's off, cable tie's off.
Is it alive? Oh, it's come off again. Alright, Armma, you're going home. We have spare parts for you, but not here. Bye, Stephen. Alright, back at the shop. So obviously we got this broken here. Also, the chassis starting to get more bent now. So we have a look here, look. I don't know how well that is to see on the camera, but yeah. That chassis is definitely bent now. I have got a brand new chassis on the way from Just Bash It RC. So I'm guessing it's going to be the same as the one on my Armma Creighton, just a little bit shorter. So hopefully that'll be the end of the chassis bending. A little while ago, Steve gave me these arms. I think he bought them to do some kind of a Frankenstein project. They didn't fit, so he kindly donated them to me. So now I can put them onto the Notorious. By the way, you guys wanted to see my new tattoo. Subscribe. Hopefully, these arms won't be too hard to fit. I should be able to get away. Just taking the front bay bumper off, which does look a bit bent actually. So I've just picked out all the dirt out of here. Just undid the first little bit by hand because I don't want to strip these threads out. Got mud in there. Alright. Look, the bumper's broken there a little bit. So now I should be able to pull these pins out. Yes. That brace. Slight bow in there, still usable. Uh-oh. Yeah, not perfect, but it'll do. Alright, so guys, I'm just going to record doing one side because the other side's exactly the same. I am going to change both sides because I've got both sides. I don't know if I'm going to bother doing the upper ones yet because they're not actually broken yet. So I may leave them stock and I'm going to do this side on camera and then I'm going to do the other side off camera because it's going to be the exact same. It's pointless me showing you twice. So comparing the stock to the RPM arm, the RPM one definitely looks a lot more beefy. And also RPM arms, they're a lot more flexible. They kind of make them to kind of flex purposely. On some RCs, it tends to bend the drive shafts and knacker shock shafts because they're too flexible. But Rich Super Bash runs these, and if he runs them, if they're good enough for him, then they must be good enough for me. I'm not using the wrench on this RPM because it's made of a softer plastic. It's very easy to strip out the threads inside the nylon. So I always, when going into RPM stuff, do it up by hand. I don't get the electric wrench anywhere near it. Alright, I'm not winding all that lot in. Wrench, here we come. Alright, so I'm going to do this side here off camera and then we're going to get you back on. Alright, we've got it all on there now. As I said, I'm going to leave these arms for now. I'm going to see how much punishment these take. If they break, then I've got the spare RPM ones to put on it. Also, I haven't got a new bumper, so I'm going to have to put the broken bumper back on for now. And we're going to probably do a little rebuild on this soon, especially when I get the new chassis. Not a full rebuild, but, you know, sort of take it apart, replace any dodgy parts and sort of make it all nice and new again. Also, up here, look, I've got a few bits here from Custom RC Upgrades. If you want to check them out, look, it's got their social media here. So I've got this little thingamajig here, like the wing support thing, and a couple of centre chassis braces. So we might be putting them on soon as well. That'll do. Borrowing up a little bit here, not sure if that's supposed to be like that or not, but that is all I have, so that is all that's going on. Oh, it goes on nice now though. Alright, so there we go, all back into one bit. Obviously it's not 100%, we've still got to do a few repairs. We're going to get the new chassis on there, but it is still usable for now, so it is another one of my arsenal for a future bash session. So, as always guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button so notified. See you soon guys, bye!